Hey, in this video I'm about to show you how you can find the best products for free. The best products that you can dropship online. I'm not saying you can get them for free, but the best research method that you can use without having to spend any money on fancy software. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's begin. I'm not going to waste your time, I'm not going to just chat a load of wham for ages to not show you anything that we're going to be doing today. I thought, you know what, let's just waste your time. The reason I'm looking over here is because the computer screen's here and the camera's there. Okay, so if you're getting confused, like, what are you doing? This is why. So I'm going to show you two ways today because I'm feeling, I'm just feeling generous, you know what I mean? I'm just really feeling really generous. And we're going to get into how to do it. Okay, so the first one is AliExpress's own way, and one of the benefits of this is because the majority of the products you're going to be drop shipping are from AliExpress and are obtained anyway from AliExpress, if not bought in bulk from some different supplier on Alibaba. Right, so they're all the logistics behind AliExpress. AliExpress knows the products that are being sold the most, not just from dropship companies, but also just in general as well, because AliExpress is a massive warehouse as well, not a massive warehouse, a massive e-commerce store in itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly log on. Okay, so we're on here now. So this is something that we've used to find products that make us over $50,000 from just literal sales, which is amazing. We've used this way to actually create and get the best products that we've actually sold the most of on our store. Now, the reason why this is so good is, like I just mentioned before, I believe it's because AliExpress control all of this, they manage all of this, and because they know the amount of orders that are coming in and out, then they'll know. Now I'm going to show you how to actually figure out what the best products are. If you see me 5 trending products videos that come out every month, the February one is going to be coming soon, don't worry. But if you see any of them products, any of them videos, then you'll realise that there's a certain method behind how I actually do it and behind how we actually find it. Now, I must admit as well, the products that you find, even if they're working for a lot of other people, it might not work for you. So this is one thing I really suggest, is to test it properly, to test if it's selling. Now, just because it's got a high amount of orders and is quite new on this, doesn't mean that it can be a trending product for a long amount of time or a long period. It could be oversold, could be overbought. That's why it's important to really test your products by using just some different ways to test your ads, and then compare it to other products that are similar in your niche that you'll be selling, and see which works best to actually put all your ad budget into. Because I don't recommend throwing all your ad budget into some product that you just found on the dropshipping center. And that's how we've managed to also find products that have been able to make us $50,000 plus. So that's why I really highly suggest that one. So obviously, if you click on the orders tab right here, it will basically put up the highest amount of orders, I believe in the last 24 hours or the last couple of hours or the last couple of days or weeks. I'm not sure exactly how it is, but it's a recent system. It's the recent orders that have been placed from this product. Now, one thing that you can do, so a lot of people usually go from China and they usually ship from China. But sometimes you can customize it and get to ship from other areas in whatever you want. Do you know what I mean? This is good if you really want to expand something in the European market or anything else like that, because there's different options around here as well. Obviously, you can drop ship still from China. Just makes you quick-in times, makes your delivery times even quicker. So obviously, if you click on this, you're not just going to make a random store selling tempered glass, then face masks, and what else is here, and instant zippers. You won't be doing any of that. So if you've created some sort of store, whether it be a pet store, a beauty store, anything else along those lines, some sort of niche, then you can find your product category. So what you do is click on product category over here, try and find the actual column that you want. So let's say we're going to do sports entertainment, and let's say we're doing a store on fishing. Okay, so click on fishing and make sure the orders tab is on. So once the orders tab is on, then you can see the ones that are actually selling really well. And then to be able to go onto their actual AliExpress store, what you can do is just click on the name and it'll open I probably struggle to get my words out there, but it'll open in another tab. This is why I'm a dropshipper and marketer, not a public speaker. um, so yeah, once it's up, obviously for some reason it's put my finger in Russian. Let me change this dead quick. I have no idea what that's in Russian, you know. English, there we go. And put it in dollars. Okay, there we go. So once, okay, there we go. We didn't want the Russian site, we didn't want to be Soviets. So yeah, we're back, and this is basically some sort of fishing connector hook. No, it's basically some tackle accessory anyway. Selling really well. I don't even understand it. So what you'd have to do is have to research it and see what's going on. And also another actual tactic to make sure this is doing really well is to click on customer reviews and to see if that's working. Now also another factor that you need to take into account is the shipping times. Now the shipping times for this 30 to 50 days. Oh no. So one thing, the 20 to 40 days standard shipping, which is alright, that's probably the best option. One thing I'd like to recommend, if you'd like to get quicker shipping times, then click the video in the link in the description below and you'll be able to find out how to get quicker shipping times, because I don't use AliExpress, to be honest. I use it to find products and then source it to a certain supplier. If you want to find out the suppliers that we use, then click the link in the description below or click on the video at the end of this video, if that makes sense. So yeah, you basically go through, it's got a load of reviews, got loads of good content, so I'd go through and add that to your store. Another thing as well, this one right here, I believe it's polarized glasses, which I'm guessing help towards in the summer and stuff like that, to be able to see properly. So yeah, fishing glasses. So if you can brand that towards fishermen, anglers and stuff like that who do it for sport and everything. So you could market it towards that. And there's obviously loads of different hooks. There's loads of different clothing equipment and everything else like that. So let's say you wanted to do music. So I'm thinking about doing a new store on music that I've not done yet. So I'm thinking about doing a music store. Let me show you what I'd do if I'm trying to find that. So what you do is you go to consumer electronics, home audio and video, portable audio and video, and you check those ones. Do you know what I mean? If I'm checking for music, I'm not going to click electronic cigarettes because although people might use that listening to music, I'm not going to be doing that today. So obviously I click on portable audio and video. Now let's see what pops up. And then this is one that's working well, really well actually, silicone AirPod cases. And custom AirPod cases is something that's really working really well at the moment. And you're not going to get flagged by Apple like people have with the actual, like the fake AirPods that people have been drop shipping. I wouldn't recommend that, but the cases themselves, they're not copyrighted by Apple, so you can go ahead and do that. A 2-in-1 wireless Bluetooth receiver transmitter. That's brilliant. That, yeah. Okay, so that's for an aux cord. That's class. So that's a really good product. I'll go and check that one out straight away. So I've not seen this product, and now I'm like, oh, I would use this product. If you know, this might be the 5 trending videos, but I would definitely use this product. There's been 26,000 orders in total, and what it does is it plugs into your aux cord and makes it being able to use Bluetooth. So if you don't have any Bluetooth set up in your car, then you can plug this in and be able to use Bluetooth when you start. Oh, so that's an amazing product. Okay, so that is an amazing product. Again, you go source it and get quicker shipping times to be able to get the profit margins in and scale that store up. But obviously, if you don't have access to that, you can still use the standard shipping and just keep the shipping included in your price. So yeah, we can go through that. And we'll just go through portable audio and video and just keep on looking. There's something for the Oculus 2 there. But let's say I wanted to use the other option. Okay, I'd go back through. Where was it? Consumer electronics. There we go. Home audio and video. Click that and see what comes up there. So there's a 4K antenna, of a Google voice box, or like an Alexa, like some sort of rip-off Alexa. There's one of them sticks for your telly to make your telly into a smart telly, which could be, you could always sell, but obviously it's got home audio and video. There's a YouTube Premium there, and YouTube, that's not for me. Please don't block my video. And yeah, Netflix, no, you won't want to do anything like that. No. So yeah, obviously you just go and check, and I wouldn't be selling products like that. Do you know what I mean? Netflix instant delivery, stuff that could get you in trouble. Use your common sense. Do you know what I mean? Use something that's properly marketable and that you can scale it into a full term business. So yeah, like that 2-in-1 wireless retriever and everything else like that, I'd definitely sell that product on my store. And other smart electronics, you can have a look through here and try and see different ones. But the choice is completely yours. You get the idea, you get the gist, that's all you have to do, and then just test these products. Now, there is 101 other ways to actually test and find trending products. If you want to find out some more things on how to find trending products, then leave a like on this video, because next week we'll do another video on how to find trending products, and we'll show you this way, and I'm going to show you another way as well. So thank you all for watching. I know this has been a very simple video, but it gets your head around things if anyone's confused on how to actually do that. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, everyone. Lots of love. Leave a comment below what more you'd like to learn from us to actually make money online. Subscribe for more money making online content, and I'll see you later.